Hi folks, today we're just going to sketch out some mountains. It's a really simple technique, really good to use if you're feeling a bit creatively stuck. All you need is one pencil and one piece of paper. You can get the stuff I use in the description down below, but anything will do. Don't wait for equipment before you start drawing. This is 25 minutes of drawing condensed down to about 5 minutes of video. I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you on the other side. Okay, thanks for sticking around to the end. I think that's a good technique for trying to learn how mountains fit together. If you try out this tutorial, I'd love to see what you've done. So send me an email, tag me on Instagram, show me your pictures somewhere. I love seeing them. Some of you have already done it and it really makes my day. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and maybe subscribe if you want to see more. I'll see you next time. Cheers.